everyone, welcome back to Consumer Auto. Today, we've got an essential guide for you. We are going to walk you through everything you need to know about Maine DMV Registration Renewal. Let's dive in. Segment 1. What is DMV Registration Renewal? First off, what exactly is a DMV Registration Renewal? Well, just like any other state, Maine requires all vehicles to have their registration renewed every year. This ensures that your car is legally registered to drive, and it keeps the records up to date with the Maine Bureau of Motor Vehicles, or BMV for short. Segment 2. Checking your renewal notice. You'll receive your registration renewal notice in the mail around 30 days before it expires. This notice will have all the details you need: your vehicle's registration number, the renewal fee, and the expiration date. Keep an eye out for it so you can avoid any last-minute stress. Segment 3. How to renew, online, by mail, or in person. Now, let's talk about how to actually renew your registration. You've got 3 options. 1. Online. This is the quickest and easiest way. Just head over to the Maine BMV website, enter your vehicle details, pay the fee, and bam, your new registration is on its way to you. 2. By mail. If you prefer paper over pixels, you can mail the completed form along with your payment. Just make sure to send it early enough to avoid any late fees. 3. In person. If you're more of a face-to-face kind of person, visit a local BMV office. Bring your renewal notice, ID, and payment, and they'll hand you a new registration on the spot. Segment 4. Documents you'll need. Before you start the renewal process, make sure you've got the following: your renewal notice with all the details, proof of insurance if you're renewing in person, payment for the renewal fees, cash, check, or card will work depending on how you're renewing. Segment 5. Renewal fees and late penalties. Now, let's talk about fees. The cost of renewing your registration depends on the type of vehicle you have. Typically, the details are provided on your renewal notice. But what happens if you miss your deadline? If you renew late, you'll likely face a late fee, and driving with an expired registration can result in fines or your car getting towed. No fun. So, be sure to renew before the expiration date. Segment 6. Special considerations. A few things to note. If your car needs an emissions test, make sure that's up to date before renewing. Changed your address. Be sure to update your info with the BMV to make sure your renewal notice reaches you on time. Segment 7. What happens after your renew? Once your renewal is complete, you'll receive your new registration. If you've renewed online, you'll also get a temporary paper registration that you can use until the new one arrives. And don't forget, once you've got your registration, keep it in your car, it's the law. Segment 8. Conclusion. And that's it, folks. Renewing your vehicle registration in Maine is easy once you know the steps. Just remember to check that renewal notice, pick your renewal method, and keep an eye on the deadline to avoid those pesky late fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs to renew their registration. And drop us a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss a car-related tip, guide, or review.